we did star testing, and we also did a virtual tear test of Lowell. Apparently that's fun. Who knew?
This week in Mr. Carter's class, we learned about mill girls and immigrants. And we are also writing in our immigration journal, and we started testing too. In community action, we made baby bibs and car blankets, and that's what we did this week.
This week we have during a community action week, we are learning about bike safety and making baby bibs and baby blankets. We are also starting a Imagine project. I'm going
Immigration?
An immigration project. I am going to be Hank Warren from Germany.
This week we started our Leaving Home entry on immigration, and we're also reading Miss Bixby's Lost Day.
This week we had community action for a special. We made baby bibs the size of giants and blankets. In writing, we are drafting our Leaving Home entry. My identity is Lena Julia Winsky, and I'm from Poland. That is for our immigration unit.
And you know what? You can have the students read along. I'll actually read out loud and we'll do two with the following. So, I just
I decided to stay in Lowell. I like the work and I don't find it too taxing. I am upset that so many of my friends have decided to leave Lowell for good. I've decided that I'm going to stay in Lowell, even if it's hard.
This week we did lots of fun things, but my top favorite things were we started the book Number of the Stars. We have 2 virtual field trips this week, and we started our home entry for immigration.
This week in Mr. Carter's class, we worked on our Leaving Home entry in our immigration journal. My fake immigration name is Susan O'Connor. Also this week, we had community action. We made baby bibs and blankets. We had the math and reading star tests. Also this week, we had 2 virtual field trips. We ended this week with a bike safety demonstration. This week in Mr. Carter's class, we learned how to multiply fractions. For example, 1/4 times 5 is 5/4, or 1 1/4. In community action, we made baby bibs out of bandanas and we made blankets. In writing, we started our Leaving Home chapter for our immigrant stories. My identity is Li Zhuying from China. This week we had 2 virtual field trips. They were both in Lowell, but the first one was about mill girls and the other one was about immigrants. This week we also had a math and reading star test. This week we had community action and made bibs and blankets for babies. In writing and reading we are learning about immigration. This week we started the Leaving Home part of our immigration journals.
This week we did 2 star tests and we multiplied mixed numbers by whole numbers. We also took 2 virtual field trips about Lowell, Massachusetts. In reading, we were reading Orphan of Ellis Island book. I'm reading The Unteachables. In community action, we learned about bike safety. this week's in Mr. Carter's 4th grade class, we have a new book, Number of the Stars, and we have another book, Orphan of Ellis Island. We also had 2 virtual field trips and a lot of tests because it's the end of the school year.
We had a virtual field trip about immigrants. We also did a STAR test. We watched a video on bike safety. In community action, we made baby beds and made blankets. We double knotted the outlines of the blanket to make the blanket. It was fun. We are also reading Orphan of Ellis Island. Today we saw the boy who made the bike video.
This week in community action, we made baby bibs and blankets. And now we are learning about bike safety. In class, we also went on a virtual field trip.
This week in Mr. Carter's class, we did STAR testing. Also, we did baby blankets and bibs. And we also did 2 virtual field trips.